What's going on, everybody? Dave here again with the Fragrance Bros. Beautiful day outside. Today I have another review of Parfums de Marly scent. This one is Kuhuyan. I don't know if that's how you say it or not, but something like that. All right, so let's go ahead and get to the first impression. Of course, I'm going to spray it on paper and then try to pick out the notes, see what I smell, and then compare it to the actual notes. All right, let's spray it here. Okay. There's a lot of contrast in this. I'm not sure what I think of it yet. Okay, there's a strong woody presence, but then on top of that, there is this floral component that has like a soapy connotation. I don't know what brand they are, but there's some soaps out there that have this type of soapy floral smell. It's interesting because the woody quality has like a rough, almost slightly smoky quality, and then the floral aspect is clean, very sheer and clean, but I don't know what notes those are, so let's look and see here. Violet leaf, jasmine, leather, heliotrope, oud, ambergris, and tonka bean. I could see ambergris somewhat, and some tonka bean. Interesting, it does still have like that clean thing. Maybe that's the violet leaves kind of playing with the leather. Heliotrope usually smells different than this, but could be. Have you tried this? Have you tried Kuhuyan? Let me know down in the comments. Of course, thank you for watching as always. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the way out. I'll see you next time. I'm Dave at the Fragrance Bros. Bye.